The public is being warned anew against the smoking. This as the nation marks Anti-Smoking Month. More from this report.
Amid various reminders and campaigns urging the public to stop smoking due to the health problems it may cause, numerous Filipinos have not decided yet to quit smoking. Data from the World Health Organization in 2009 showed Philippines has the highest number of smokers in Southeast Asia. Every year, a Filipino consumes about 1,073 sticks of cigarettes. The Philippine government had laws and ordinances which prohibited smoking in public places such as school campus, hospitals, and bus terminals. Sin tax law was also passed in 2012, which aims to restructure the existing taxes imposed on alcohol and tobacco goods. To make the campaign against smoking more effective, graphic warnings were printed on cigarette packs. According to the Philippine College of Physicians, there is no perfect strategy to address the rising number of smokers, as those addicted to this vice gets younger.
Akala natin ignorance ang problema. Hindi na pala ang problema yun. Clarity of thoughts is the problem. Wala kasi tayong grand plan, wala tayong strategy. Akala natin, i-action natin ang pasyente, tumigil ka sa paninigarilyo. Hindi po tatama yun. We need to motivate the Filipinos kung paano siya titigil sa paninigarilyo. By showing here the reason why a smoker should stop.
Smoking is also one of the top reasons of stroke among Filipinos, which cause death. Complications due to smoking are killing more than 48,000 a year.
But this data shows that when you smoke, hindi lang po respiratory system ang na-apektuhan. Hindi lang po natin pinag-usapan ng cancer. Hindi lang po COPD. But we are talking also of heart attack.
There are a lot of reasons why a person started never choose to quit. For this group of jeepney drivers, spending 100 pesos a day for a pack of cigarette is just alright because smoking is their pastime.
Pagkatapos kumain, yan, maninigarilyo. Pagkatapos wala na. Minsan po, palipas oras lang po. Ay, wala naman sana sa budget po. Hindi makasama sa budget yung panigarilyo.
Some are afraid of the bad effects of smoking to the human body. That's why they chose to stop.
Mga kasama po sa kalusugan, pangalawa pa, madadali yung buhay mo dyan. Hindi bali mag-inom ka, pero huwag lang maligarilyo dahil ang maligarilyo makakasira sa baga.
This Anti-Smoking Month, every smoker were urged to think about the possible sickness and death smoking may cause. Remember that regrets are felt when it's too late.